What's going on, guys? Today we're working on the '08 Nissan Titan again. Today we're doing some tailgate repair here. What's happening is you go to open the tailgate up. When you pull the latch on here, it's only unlatching this latch, not this one. So I've already figured out the issue. I just want to show you guys quick. In here, you're going to have a whole bunch of these screws, Phillips. If you have the bed liner, so you just take this piece off like so, set it aside. Then you'll have this guy here. So if you don't have a bed liner, you'll have screws in here instead. You just take out. That's all part of this thing here. Okay. Now, this right here was what my problem was. Now, again, I've already seen this, but this had pulled out. The way this works out is simply that has little teeth in there that match the threads on the rod, and it locks in just like that one, okay? So if this piece is broken, you can buy these at like AutoZone, Napa, O'Reilly. They just pop out of this thing right here, pop it out, and then you just put a new one in there. Or like mine, it just came out. If it comes out again, I'm just gonna glue it in here. But now, it works just fine. So just a quick little tidbit here on some tailgate repair. Hopefully it helps somebody out. If it does, give me a like and a share and a subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.